and welcome to History Pod. On the 19th of November 1863, United States President Abraham Lincoln delivered the Gettysburg Address at the dedication of the Soldiers' National Cemetery in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Opening with the famous line, 407 years ago, Lincoln made the speech to an assembled crowd of approximately 15,000 people, including 6 separate state governors. Lasting just over 2 minutes, the president's speech was only ever intended to be dedicatory remarks, linking America's founding principles, as written in the Declaration of Independence, to the struggles of the Civil War. The main address at the dedication came from famed orator Edward Everett in a 13,000-word speech that directly preceded the president. Everett wrote to the president the next day, stating that Lincoln had delivered a better address in 2 minutes than he had in 2 hours. Not everyone was so complimentary. Newspaper reports at the time were divided along party lines, with Democrat-leading newspapers such as the Chicago Times dismissing Lincoln's silly, flat, and dishwatery speech. Meanwhile, Republican newspapers were overflowing with praise. The exact location, and even the exact wording of the Gettysburg Address continue to be points of disagreement. 5 manuscripts exist of the speech, but there are a number of notable differences between each of them. Even the inclusion of the words "under God" are disputed. Furthermore, the manuscripts also differ from reports by people present at the address itself. But despite this, the Gettysburg Address is still seen as one of the most important English-language speeches of all time.